Visit of the cultural group of Lahore to Ganj Ali Khan Hammam in Kirman. A very important and interesting place we visited in Kirman was Hamam Ganj Ali Khan Museum, which used to be a bathhouse but is now a museum. The ancient engineers were very skilled and the temperature was also taken into account in such places. This bath has fountains and special lighting, high sound of water and wide ceiling and small pavilions. The pavilion also has a pool, in the middle of which there is a fountain. There are various sections that provide adequate space for rest, prayer and conversation. The bathroom's dressing room is decorated with a variety of carpets, traditional gold embroidered robes, and plenty of hair dryers. At present, this bath is a museum of anthropology, and in different parts of this bath, wax figures are displayed in the form of different classes of the society of that time, such as massage therapists, priests, artisans, common people, etc. In addition to vessels, dyes and items such as henna, old trays, traditional combs, various glasses, old footstones and other body washing utensils are also kept. Different characters of sculptures are shown. Some are being massaged, some are relaxing after bathing, some are drinking hookah, some are praying, some are welcoming customers. The condition and clothes of these statues look so real that one of our friends was sitting on a chair and a tourist mistook them for statues, on which our whole group made fun of him for a long time. These statues were designed at Tehran University's Faculty of Fine Arts in 1973 and then transferred to this museum. Ganj Ali Khan Bathhouse is the spectacular place for every tourist who visits Kirman. This bathhouse is a mixture of architectural art, using different materials and symmetrical space. The architect of this complex and bathhouse was Ustad Muhammad Sultani from Yazd. It has various chambers, each open to another one, in the form of a complete circle to save the heat. This old bathhouse was reconstructed in 1350 and used as the anthropological museum. Some things that used in the traditional bathrooms, such as special dishes, have placed in it.